Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Priscilla and today we're going to be doing the drawstring ponytail Jamaican with Jamaican bounce. So this is my first YouTube video, so pardon me if I make any mistakes. Today we're going to be doing the drawstring, which I already said. So you have to get your scrunchie, I think they call it scrunchie, or you get it, I think it's called a hair scrunchie. So let's get right into it. Then you're going to take your Jamaican bound hair and unravel it. Okay, let's wait for. Okay, so you're going to take your Jamaican hair, unravel. Then when you unravel it, you put it in through the scrunchie and out. Then you form a knot. You have to tie the knot just once, not twice. It's very secure when you tie it once. So again, we're going to do it again. You take a scrunchie, you put the Jamaican bound hair through, you tie a knot just once again. So that's right about it, and we're going to be doing that for a whole pack, one pack of Jamaican bound hair. The Jamaican bound hair I got it from Sam's Beauty supply store. So yep. I hope the video is not too long for you guys. So still again, we're putting the Jamaican hair through the scrunchie and out and tying the knot, because I want you guys to get this right. That's why I'm taking my time. Yes, ignore my hair, it's a mess. I just loosened my cornrows that I did for past 1 week, so that's why my hair is like that. Yep, let's continue. Okay, now that the first part is over, I'm going to be using my argan oil leave-in conditioner and spraying it all over my messy hair. I don't know what. Okay, go get it. Okay, so now we get our brush, and I'm going to be doing a sleek ponytail. So we're going to be doing a sleek ponytail. I think my hair is 4C, or I don't know, but I have to divide it in sections before I sleek out the ponytail. So we have to divide it into sections. After dividing it, then I'm going to put a scarf over to press my edges down. So that's it. So after using the scarf and putting my edges down, the video is going faster than my voice actually. I don't know how to go about that. So after putting the scarf over my head, my edges are slayed, and I can put the ponytail, the drawstring ponytail, over my ponytail, my actual hair. So that's a Jamaican bounce slayed over this gorgeous lady, which is me. So I was just here being goofy and having fun, but I used a pink, which made it really look kind of weird. Nope. You should make sure you use a black scrunchie and not the one that has pink, except you're okay with it looking out. I had to later on change it to a black scrunchie so that the pink doesn't show at the back, so it doesn't look bad as it does now. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm just starting off in YouTube. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share to your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.